How to fix the Capcut can't import this element. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix this. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So basically the ideal format of importing any video is MP4 and for the audio it is MP3. So if you don't have the file format, what you have to do is simply convert your video. For that you have to go into your Safari or any browser that you are using and you have to simply search for the convert to MP4. Now as you can see that there is the many websites. From here you just have to add your video and you can easily convert it again. So you just have to click on it and from here you have to convert to MP4 and after that you are able to fix the Capcut can't import this element in your Capcut. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.